Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, you enjoyed that intro made with nothing more than Grok AI. Of course, I didn't dress up and hold an actual Walther PPK or whatever it may be. Shout out to the people who, the millennials who played GoldenEye 007. Shout out to the Gen X who played with their sons and beat them at GoldenEye 007. But let's move on now and let's zoom in on the charts here. Let's zoom in on the charts, the stock charts, guys. It's a very important day. I've been making a lot of videos telling you to buy RR, right? I've been pounding the table over and over. I bought today. I bought 1,000 shares because why wouldn't I? Look at this. RR. Right? Keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. RR is on the verge of that big move, possibly to $10. Let's look. Let's remove all the analysis here. You can see there, yeah. And in this morning, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy because the government just, they're screaming in their ear. They're screaming in your ear, buy stocks in the robotics sector now. That's what they're screaming. That is what they're screaming. And if you're not paying attention, then you're gonna miss out. So this morning, right here, loaded some APLD. Of course, we're gonna load some APLD, but also 1,000 R at 397. Because if I was gonna buy, I had to buy now under 4. Once this gets to 5 and above, it's gonna start to run away, in my opinion. So yeah, I've been making so many videos. RR 25, hidden gem 25. I think it will go to 25. It's gonna be a while. It's not gonna happen right away. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the time where it goes to the moon. But this is when the government is screaming, "Hey, we really like stocks in the robotics sector." I mean, what are you supposed to do? You can't just sit there and not participate in the incoming wave of buyers that are going to send it higher. This is what we have been waiting for. What did I tell you guys so many times? Buy at the purple line. Nobody wants it down here. Over and over and over. How many videos have I not made where I just repeat myself? Well, can you guess why I repeat myself? Why? Cause history. That's right. The dim ones are finally starting to understand. History repeats. Whoa. Did I buy the exact bottom? No, of course not. Too many people trying to time the bottoms. I didn't even buy at the purple line. I bought up here at just under $4, which again, we're not buying the exact bottom. We're buying I bought at under 4 at 390 something. I still got a massive 46% discount. I'm not holding a big bag up here, right? Like we did all the right things. Stop trying to time bottoms. Too many people trying to time the bottom. So there you go. I might add more. I might average up because I will. I'm the kind of person that will average up. What am I? Why would I be scared? That's just silly. Why would I not average up on something that's getting the government excited, right? So let's see. Is there a possibility that RR goes higher than 10? The government might drop some major news by the end of this month. Hey, they might drop some major news. I don't know. All I can do is buy and follow my signals, right? Like yesterday I made a video. 100% pump, almost ready, brilliant. I'm using chess terms because I've been playing chess recently. I just started I'm a complete newbie at chess, but I really like the terms that they use, brilliant and blunders. So I've been using those. And I said it was a brilliant buy. Why? Because we're buying when it's not at the top, and that makes sense. Let me see if I can find more. Hi Shades, which platform is? I use Schwab to buy the riskier penny stocks. We are coming back, haha. Yeah, I told you guys, like this was gonna happen. Up heavy in pre-market, yep, 12% because of Trump. And I bought because I knew, like, oh, the government's talking about this. This is a no-brainer. You don't got to think about this. We know it's gonna go. So what is there to think about? This isn't the only stock. There's going to be other stocks that they're going to move. I just bought a little over 1,400 shares about an hour ago. My average is 3.40. I'm planning to sit and hold this. Yes, absolutely. Jake Hicks must be very happy. He's got to be up like, 20% almost, if not more? Because he bought at 3.40. Again, it's not about timing the bottom. So it's about buying at that purple line nice and cheap. Let's see, what else? I'm just reading your comments. You guys should be excited now. Now's the time to get excited. Don't being excited at the top. That's just silly, right? That's silly. Be excited up here at the highs. What? That's silly. If you're gonna chase up here, chase with strategy. Take the small loss if it doesn't move in your favor, and reposition down here like that. Have strategy and surprise, surprise, it works out. Surprise, surprise. I've been watching a lot of your videos. Can you give me the information of the purple line? I can't tell what line it is. It's a line and it's purple. That's the joke I always make. 8,000 shares, George Ortega. Shout out to you if you're watching. My only concern is that this time about the stock long term is I expect a lot from this company and I want more marketing. Buddy, you don't need more marketing. You just need the government to say, look over there, everyone buy. Boom. You didn't get your wish, but you got something. Let's continue here. Bought some today. Gita. Shout out to Ralph. He's got to be excited. Or I'm debating on buying more, but healthy position. You don't need more if you're already good. I'm holding for at least 5 years on RR and BBAI. Hey, if you're holding for 5 years, good luck to you. I'm holding for my price targets, and then I'll buy at the purple line over and over and over again because that's what it keeps doing. Let me measure that for you. Oh, woo, wow, 510%. Comes back to the purple line. 77% comes back to the purple line here. 70% again comes back to the purple line. Woo! Look at that, 276%. I didn't buy exactly the purple line, but I mean, look at that. I'm still gonna make money either way. So whether it's long term or short term, you will make these add up. Like imagine just capturing 50% all these times. That's 250% return total on all 5 pumps or 4 pumps. I can't count this just yet. But on all these 4 pumps right here, if you only count a portion of the move, let's just say 25% each time, that's 100%. That's still doubling your money, which is terrible. You shouldn't be making 25%. You should be making more. Your entry and exit are terrible at that point. But even then, even with a terrible entry and exit, you still end up making money. Thanks for the debrief. Oh, that's for MVTS. Could you kindly cover SI? No, I'm not going to cover garbage. This is a video on RR, not on garbage. Shade's hoping for 550 within the next 3 months. I just got to be patient. You might get that tomorrow. This is the thing. You never know. You never know what's going to happen. But what you do know is buy at the purple line is very profitable. Good videos. Thanks for making them. Very helpful. You got big energy, bro. Same as me. Let's get that money. Shout out from Vancouver, Canada. I think Seb Luke's from Vancouver too. I think. Shout out to that guy. Hopefully you're not also under house arrest. anyways. Can I find any more here? Any more comments on RR? Stop buying that crypto, Joey Shaw. Stop buying that crypto. I'm sorry if I sound a little off. My voice is very tired and I'm trying to conserve it. I was going to take the day off from not making videos, but I'm like, I have to talk about RR. That stock had reached a peak of $7. That was a crazy reach as of right now. The stock's at 2.9. This is a very promising company, so he must be happy if he bought in. I mean, I just bought in today. Too many people get scared when it's cheap. It's so weird to me. So yeah, let's look at the. Is there a RichTech Robotics? I'm wondering if there's a RichTech Robotics. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna see if I can find a RichTech Robotics Reddit. I'm gonna go to Twitter just to get the sentiment. Right? How are people feeling about the stock? We knew this was gonna go up at some point. It's just a matter of buying cheap. No holding bags for the smart ones. Only dummies hold bags because they don't know what they're doing. They're so scared of a loss that they shake and they shake in their boots, so to speak. Let me pull up Twitter. Shout out to Nick Maga Nick. He's holding a giant bag. He's been trading the stock market for over 5 years, he said, and he is very unprofitable. That's a long time to be wrong. Very long time to be wrong. Let's see. Let's go to. I'm looking it up right now. I'm gonna. Don't you leave just yet. I know I don't got the same energy because my voice is a little low, but Yeah, this was just a very obvious buy. Like you'd have to be, I don't know, you'd have to be dumb to not realize like, wait a minute, this is gonna go up because the government is talking about robotic stocks. Wow. So this is the RichTech Robotics subreddit. Um, uh, we're gonna read some of these and they're gonna be funny because me and others tried to tell you. Let me see. Let's read some negative comments on Reddit. This is gonna be fun. 26 days ago from Vegetable Reveal, me and others tried to tell you that it's rebranded Chinese robots with NVDA tech. Wait, but it still has NVIDIA tech. What's the problem? Let's see what he's saying right now, because clearly he doesn't know what he's talking about. Let's see. Suns, Chicago Bulls. What the hell? Yeah, this guy's just a troll. He gets he gets his post constantly removed. Um, every small cap, medium cap is down. Ours just another one on the list. All down. Home market bleeding job. Yeah. So nothing to do with the stock itself per se. Yep. There's nothing wrong with the stock. So that guy's dumb as rock. What the f happened, guys? 2 days ago, I'm still holding my entry price was on 195, but damn, I've sworn we are going to $10. Do we still have hope? Man, these people have no patience. They want to buy and immediately it goes to 10. Or should I just cut my gains now? Man, this guy doesn't know the purple line strat. Again, these people are dumb. They're not on our level. If they were, they wouldn't be scared. They'd be like, oh, it's coming down cheap to the purple line. I'll buy some more. They don't got it. They just don't got it, man. They just don't. There's a if there's something I learned from not MAGA Nick, there's a lot of people that are just dumb as dumber than you could even ever imagine. Market happened. Don't listen to the others. I bought some at 5, still holding long term. Uh, have you seen the robots? uh, okay, let's continue here. 11 hours ago, pre-market big jump to over $4. Huge robotic sector jump right now. Looks like Trump is due to release. This is due to Trump's release on the executive order for robotics in the next year. I sold for a loss. Could have made money on this thing. Congrats. All right. Trump admin considering. All right. And 7 hours ago. I mean, yeah, I don't really. There's nothing to be worried about. It's just the dumb ones. After hours pop. I have 40 euros, 40 euros in RR as a beginner. Get out of here. You shouldn't even be trading. Yeah, this is for people with money. Just trying to understand the market better. Why has it boomed for the past 2 days? Huh? Sir, we dumped really hard. And then we're going to get a bit of a relief rally. Of course. Um, yeah. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what it's like to be a beginner anymore. I'm out of that phase. So, when people do really stupid things or ask stupid questions, I'm just like, huh? Like, do these people not understand how this works? I'm just trying to read here. Blah blah blah. The move is just starting. Blah blah blah. More blah blah. Do not give in to fear. Double down, which is exactly what I was saying back in April. What? I've been calling this one all year. All year we've been making money on this, hand over fist. If you want to make 100 plus return, this was on October 4th. Sometimes you have to hold hidden gems for months. That's how long it took for R to move to 100% a date. KSP Simple are being slapped down right now. We have to be willing to hold them for quite a while if you want the big bucks. KSP can go to hell though. Now it's just Simple and RR. Join the Discord now. You'll be hooked. RR stock is a buy. Start accumulating at under 2. I was calling this back, when it was under 2. We'll come back to this too when it goes 100%. I haven't been on Twitter because I've been running the Discord community, but this is going to be one hell of a play. Don't sleep on it. Like this was just obvious so long ago. I don't understand. I don't understand. Um, so there you go, guys. Am I a genius? No, I'm not. What did I do? Oh, there's a purple line. And what do I do with that purple line? I wait for the price to come down and then I buy. Cool. That's it. I don't, it's that simple. There's no super secret, there's no volume on this chart. There's a MACD here. We don't even need that. Get out of here, MACD. There's no VWAP. There's no volume. There's no RSI. There's no nothing. We're just going off the good old daily time frame and a purple line. And I know people are going to ask me, what's the purple line? Well, it's a line and it's purple. That's my answer to that. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you. Figure it out. If you can't figure it out, you're dumb as a rock. Like it's a line and it's purple. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, no, jokes aside though, go to settings, change it to purple, 2px, and then move average cycle, change that to 200. It says WMA, right? WMA. So you go to indicators and there, whoa, WMA, weighted moving average. There you go. That's it. It's that simple. If someone in the comments asks me if what the purple line is, that probably means they didn't watch till the end. Because I just waited till the end to see if they watched till the end. I just wanted to see if they watched till the end more than anything. My prediction here, we go to 550. 5 is the next big one right here. 550 followed by 640. And then back to this previous high at 1043. We break that, we go to 10. So there you go. Those are your levels. Right now we broke above. We could pull back a little bit and then go higher, or we just keep going. It's going to be one or the other here. Because we just broke out above this. This was a key level to get out. Get up above and hold above. So naturally we should gravitate towards $5. So there you go. If you bought with me today when I alerted it, because we're very good at at buying and then it goes up and you're immediately in the green. Patreon.com/shades and trades. I mean, if you saw at $5, that's 26% in a few days, maybe a few weeks, depending on how long it takes to go up there. So I don't see, all I got to say is there a problem here? Is this too easy? This is kind of boring, isn't it? This is boring. I'm not even excited, honestly. I'm just kind of like, whatever. I saw this coming a mile away. Soundhound is also a buy, right? It's under the purple line. Nobody wants it. So if you want another play, there you go. Do you have the patience to wait for the big pump? I don't know. That's kind of on you. Patience is your edge. That's your advantage. If you don't got it, I don't know what to tell you, but the market likes to pay people who are patient. I don't know why, but it just does. It is a little concerning that NVIDIA is red. Apple also big red. Bitcoin also red. And so keep an eye on Bitcoin, because until Bitcoin reverses, we are just going to keep going down, right? So we're not out of the woods yet. It was nice to see this big pump on the small caps because of the news. That's awesome. That's cool. But still, you got to keep in mind if the market decides to continue to tank, because right now everyone's starry-eyed. Everyone's like, oh my God, RichTech Robotics is going up. But you got to keep in mind, headlines can move us up and just as quickly send us down. So it's up to you how you want to play it. But I am going to be very quick to take profits. I'll take my $1,000. You better believe I'll take $1,000, and I'll do it over and over again. We've been through this, guys. Those of you who have been following the channel long enough, it's always the same rinse and repeat over and over and over. There's no margin here. There's no loans being taken out. There's no call options. Just good old buy shares, sit on the position. It goes up, take the 20%. You rinse and repeat that 5 times. Boom, you just made 100%. You can hit a home run by holding it for 100%, which would be, from my alert, it would have to go to 10. Or you can just flip it for 20% 5 times, and you still get the big home run over the course of 5 trades. You still get the 100%er. So I get it. You want 100% right now, but there's many ways to go about it. So I don't know. I'm bored. I'm bored. It was more exciting when things were going down. When things tank, that's when I'm like, yeah, let's go. But whatever. Woohoo. I guess we're going up. I guess whatever. I'm not. I'm glad that we're going up. Please go up enough so I can sell it and then come down so I can rinse it, right? Let's just rinse it over and over again. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Not my best video, as you can tell. My voice trying to conserve it. I'm enjoying some Tito's here, but hopefully you're gonna have some Tito's after these wins here on APLD, and we've been winning on RR now, and we're gonna win again. It's boring, guys. Profitability is boring. So join the Discord if you want boring money. I'll see you guys in the next one.